In this video, I'll show you how to add a Microsoft Teams meeting link to your email signature so people can easily reach you or join meetings directly from your emails. Adding a Teams link to your email signature is especially useful for work and business communication, since it saves time and makes collaboration easier. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook. This works in Outlook for Windows, Mac, or Outlook on the web. Once Outlook is open, click File, then go to Options, then click Account Info. Next, open the Mail section and click Signatures. This is where you can create or edit your email signature. Now, place your cursor where you want the Microsoft Teams link to appear in your signature. You can type something like, "Meet with me on Microsoft Teams" or "Microsoft Teams Meeting." After that, you'll need your Teams meeting link. Open Microsoft Teams, go to Calendar, and either create a new meeting or open an existing one. Click Copy Meeting Link. Go back to Outlook and paste the Teams meeting link into your signature. You can highlight the text and use the link option to make it look cleaner.